Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Obi's garden. If you really want to regrow onions from onion bulbs successfully, avoid these 5 common mistakes. 1. Using dormant onion bulbs. When onion bulbs are harvested, they go through 3 main phases. These are the resting, the dormant, and the sprouting phases. Before an onion bulb can sprout quickly, its dormancy should have been broken, and thus it must be in the sprouting phase. If you use a dormant onion bulb, it will take a long time to sprout. On the other hand, if you use onion bulbs in the sprouting stage, roots start growing quickly in less than 24 hours, whilst the shoots will appear within about 48 hours. I have a detailed video on how to identify onion bulbs that are good for planting. Check it out at the end of this video or in the description box. 2. Using onions stored in the fridge. If you want to regrow onion from onion bulbs, you should not store the onions in the fridge. Although storing the onions in the fridge for about a month promotes sprouting, it also promotes flowering, and thus only small bulbs or no bulbs will form. However, if you are growing onion for the green leaves or to get seeds, then storing in the fridge, especially if you live in a warm climate, is recommended. 3. Excessive watering. When growing onions, one of the key things to pay attention to is watering. Excessive watering, especially during bulb formation, fosters development of diseases and rot. The frequency of watering depends on the climate and the water holding capacity of the soil. A general rule of thumb is to water only when the top 1 inch of the soil is dry. You can check the soil with your index finger and water only when the topsoil up to your first knuckle is dry. This is known as a finger test. 4. Not separating the seedlings. Once you sprout the onions and they produce many tillers or shoots, you have to separate them and replant them in different areas or containers. This ensures that they can grow into big or appreciable sizes. If you don't separate them, they'll be bunched together, and depending on the number of shoots, they will appear small like shallots, as you can see in your shot. Of course, this advice is only useful if you intend to grow onion bulbs from the onions. If you are just growing onion for the green onions, there's no need to separate them. If you're just growing the onions for the green, if you're just growing onions for the green leaves, there's no need to separate them. 5. Using onion bulb that already has signs of disease or rot. If you want to regrow onion bulbs, you need to select firm bulbs that have no symptoms of diseases. Avoid bulbs that have soft areas or fungal spores, since they rot sooner than later. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Give these tips a try and let me know what you think. If you found this video useful, smash that like button and also share it so that more people will benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so. Check out our other videos or see you in our next. Until then, it's adios.